I'm a director for a company called Evolution Trade, a company that is directly concerned with the trade finance facilitation that is given by financial institutions to business people to help them do their trade. It concerns the buyer, the seller, and the goods moving across borders and sometimes even domestic goods. These four instruments are majorly used here. The normal telegraphic transfer, where you wire money across the territories. And that is mostly what is used here right now. But we also have an open account transaction that is done by exporters, where you manufacture your goods and send it abroad, and then you wait for payments to come later. Like you are giving credit to the buyer. And then we have collections, where the goods are manufactured, you ship the goods but put the documents in the bank, so with the instructions so that the bank can collect the money on the behalf of the exporter. And then the last one and the most efficient one is letters of credit. Letters of credit is an instrument that gives credit to the buyer, but the credit is covered by the bank, the buyer's bank. So it's an instrument that is established by the bank on instruction of the buyer, and is one of the facilities that is given under trade. Any business person who is doing trade business, trade is the buying and selling of goods, qualifies for it. The difference is that in most cases it is structured in a way that the person who is taking the facility might not be required to present security like collateral. Uses trade instruments, and the advantage is that you can use the cash flow, the business you are doing, as security to cover for the facility that you get. And normally for the banks, you receive the repayment as in one single bulk. And usually it can take on any amount of money that is involved in the business. Because most of the financial institutions do not have staff that understand this product well. And that is why we have a task to train them, and we have done a lot already. So they have started, it is just starting. We know the performance will increase. In the next 1 year or so, let's talk about probably post-COVID, because it was COVID that scaled down our training activities. I think by that time we would have covered all the financial institutions, and this product will be the major one in this market.